Nestled in Central Europe, Slovenia is a country known for its scenic landscapes, hill resorts, lakes and mountains. The country enjoys a mixed economy and is mainly based on centralized planning. However, the private sector enjoys considerable freedom with ample space for growth and opportunities. Due to its central location well connected with major European crossroads, Slovenia has seen a gradual growth in its economy over the last few decades. Having a highly educated and well-skilled workforce, 2/3 of the population are employed in the service industry. Economy. Slovenia is a developed economy and enjoys considerable growth throughout the country and is considered as a wealthy nation. Though the financial crisis of 2007-10 had a big impact on the country's economy, Slovenia has since witnessed a gradual growth leading to a stable, well-developed economy. Though many banks and institutions were expected to be bailed out by the European Union, the country's own funds were sufficient in recovering the national debts and getting the nation out of the crisis. There was a shortage of growth in exports and lack of implementation of economic reforms led to slow growth from the year 2007 for a few years. However, actions and legislation that reduced spendings and focused on improving the economy eventually paid out, leading to gradual growth in the economic output of the nation. Though the construction sector saw a steep rise in recent times, other industries such as tourism and service sectors witnessed considerable growth and stabilization. Lying in the midst of various trade routes, 2/3 of the Slovenians belong to the service industries. Though highly skilled and well-educated, the productivity levels still lie below the average numbers from the EU. This has seen Slovenians losing many contracts and labor to other countries such as China, India, among others. Trade. Slovenia majorly trades with other EU countries. Due to this, the nation is highly sensitive to economic changes and conditions in the European Union. The bulk of the economic growth of the nation is a direct result from foreign trade relations. The main challenge is to keep the labor costs in line with productivity and demands. Though there was a slowdown in growth in the early years of the 21st century, there has been a gradual change since then, leading to the considerable growth of the economy. Slovenians are experienced to low to mid-level manufacturing firms are majorly employed in the service industry. Foreign direct investment levels are one of the lowest in the country. However, this has also seen a gradual change and improvement, showing a positive impact in the economy. Performance. The traditional industries of agriculture, forestry and fishing employ only 6% of the population and do not have a considerable impact on the economy. The nation relies on foreign trade relations, deals and tourism sectors as major contributors to the economy. Though inflation levels in the country are on the lower side considering the global average, the anti-inflation policies relies heavily on capital inflow restrictions. As a nation, though it was impacted heavily by recession and crisis, Slovenia has picked up the pace and has today become a well-developed economy.